Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with my friend Kayla, and today we're gonna be playing the Don't Press the Button.
Yeah, which is
the opposite.
Oh my God,
Doge. I'm thinking that this Doge will smack me. Don't smack me, Doge. You're an old meme, man. I'm gonna push you off. He's an old meme. I pushed one of them off. Okay. Put the money. I do not. Okay, come on, let's go.
No, you stole my Robux. What did you do, thief?
You mean a coin?
Yeah, the coin.
Hey, why am I going in this noob's? Why am I going? Why am I gonna get pooped out? No. No. No.
Oh.
Ew.
That's so good. Gross and disgusting.
That's how disgusting you are. Oh, get on the platform.
Come on. The last time I did that, I made it.
It's probably because you're not used to laptop. Why is this Mario themed? Who is Norbit?
I just died. I just fell off the edge.
Whoa, gosh, borders are coming. You have to go in the middle of it. Hey, I survived.
I died.
Did you know if there's like I'm gonna dance. I think your brother is like playing Fortnite on my Xbox. Oh gosh. Don't do that. Hey, I'm dancing. That would almost.
I want to dance.
You want me to show you how to? Okay, I have this one. I have the hype. I got the hype. Don't go near it. Don't get near it. Don't go near it. Don't.
Oops. That was a big oof.
Oh wait, where's the button? Where the button? You know where the button? Comment down below if you know where the button is.
Oh, somebody already found it. Yeah, and make sure to hit that bell button so you get notified for new videos and stuff.
Yeah, I post like on the weekends and stuff. I don't post.
Oops.
Yeah.
It was right there.
Oops. Well, at least they don't need to look at your noobness and they have to look at my noobness.
It's so hard. I want to do it.
Have you ever tasted hate? I don't know why I just said that. I almost died.
Come on.
Oh, I like this one. It's gravity. Press this one to jump. That's how you jump, okay?
Huh? You didn't see that coming, did you?
Are you used to playing on phone?
Yeah, because I have it on my phone. Aww. Oh, it was dream all lasted.
Oh. Click the button. You have to spam it.
I'm the only one hitting it.
You're not hitting it. You have to click on it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we got 172.
Oh, I guess I did have to jump on it.
Oh gosh, I hate this one.
No, not this one.
I just died. If you got hit like and subscribe if you think that I'm a noob. Okay, I'm kidding. Comment down below if you. Okay, comment, like and subscribe, please. I need some fans. In my videos, you might see me with my blonde hair and my dino thing, and also a crazy outfit. Okay.
I made it close.
Okay, come on. I feel like it's gonna be a Toonami. It's gonna be like. I love this one. I love this. Do you like this? I actually made it once. It said I finished and I'm proud. It said something like that. I'm already at the top.
Oh my god.
I'm like the only person who's like on the top. I almost did it. Look how close I was.
God.
I hate myself. I love this, but like I just don't always make it. I love these obbies. I wish it can just it made me fall off the map.
I like dancing.
I like trains. No.
You just died from go on the red. Go on the blue. Go on the blue.
I'm going.
Come on. Jump.
Oh my god, I was so close.
Oh, we all died. I died.
Oh.
It was the wrong one. Like and subscribe if you like this rubber ducky in your face. Okay. Yeah. I'm going on a ship with my favorite rubber ducky, going through the sky. Little brain skies.
Yay.
I just swallowed. Go on the green. This is definitely gonna work because I have green and it's gonna work.
It didn't. Why did it work?
Okay, my sensei failed me. Okay, it's been 7 minutes in the video so far, but that good. That means we have like 7 more minutes until the video ends. What am I doing?
I don't know.
No. No one survived. What does it mean, good job on surviving, when no one even survived? Oh! I hate this one. I hate this. Because I can never get on the stairs. Where are you?
I'm hiding.
You're gonna die. You're gonna die. I survived.
Yeah, because you're a pro.
No, I mean
I
it's
died
hard.
again.
It's
What?
hard on phone. Like you could. It's like, oh, get on the platform. Come on.
I'm hurrying.
You were walking on the red thing. Okay. You did good. I just exploded. Yeah, but when it says don't press the button, it's true. What was that?
I don't know.
Do not get near it. You know what happened the last time. Okay, which one are you going? Green?
No, it's going green.
That girl is gonna die. Those two are gonna die for sure. Okay, one of them died. This is like the okay, I'm going to blue.
Yeah, let's go blue.
Let's go to red.
There's not enough time.
Oh wait, we did it. Let's follow these people. Oh, they're going back to green.
Okay, let's go back to green. I'm hurrying.
This guy, come on.
Nope, it wasn't green. These people are.
I should have stayed on blue. I like dogs. I love dogs. Do you love dogs?
Yeah, I do, and I comment.
Oh, I hate this.
No.
I hate this one. I want to get Robux. I want to get for my if I win this, I just died. But if I win this again, then I want Robux. When I win, I want a stack of 25K. I actually need Robux for Bloxburg. I need cash.
Oh, I can give you some of my cash.
You have 100. You have like 30. I have 27K, but okay. I need to make a house with it, so. This is gravity. I like this one. I like this one because it has Galaxy, and I love Galaxy. Come on, follow me. Follow me. Let's go. Follow me. Ah! I died. I'm stuck.
I hope I find it. Oh.
right when you say, I hope I find it, someone just finds it. I died. Don't go near it. Why is that spy ninja going in it? Oh, how did he not die?
How did he survive? What?
Ah!
No.
I hate this. I hate this one.
Goodbye.
Oh, there's the other one that we could have gone on.
Wait a minute. I really want to play Island in the winter or whatever it's called again.
Oh, I have a hack that we could have done. That's so easy. Next time we do it, you want me to show you a hack that we could have used? Yes? No? Maybe? Yeah. Okay. Ah! Go in the middle! Right here. I
died.
Oh. You did good.
How many minutes was the video?
It's been 12 right now. My max limit is 14. Oh. I feel like it's gonna end like doges. Okay, guys. These doges are gonna hit us in the head. Doges are dead. Now there's some falling off. Push. Doges are dead. Don't go near it. Ah! Okay, come on. Do not hide. Do you not even know what a tsunami is? A tsunami. Who cares? I'm dead.
Yes, so am I. I just died, actually.
Okay, it's 13 minutes. We have like one more minute.
Okay. I died. Oh, what?
Oh, I like this one. It's actually pretty fun. Right when I say I like this one, I just die. You're actually pretty good at this. I lagged, right?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna end the video. I'm gonna end the video off here. I hope you guys had a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye, everybody. Bye.